Okay, here's how you can make classic Eggman. Also, I played Sonic Superstars and I finished it. And let me tell you, I had to stay up all night just to play it. Like, I wasn't even tired at all. But I was feeling a bit sleepy, so I gave it one break. But when I got back on it, when I got back from school, let me tell you, it was so good. You can't even imagine how I feel playing that game right now. It's literally so good. I'm hoping for more with Classic Sonic. Anyway, Glasses 13. $23.82 for the nose, no, the beard and face AC1. I'm not sure what's this for, but definitely forget about it. $25.21 for nose head AC. It's on 22.11.11 too. $2 for pants, no, shirt. $1 for pants. $8 for shoes. And not sure what's for sleeves because the freaking lag is coming back and Roblox is becoming down again. And the glitches are coming back. And not liking this. This is just not good. Look at it. They're all gone. That's gone. This is gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. This is still being made. That's gone. Her mouth is oh. What is wrong with Roblox? Why do they keep making lag? What is wrong with Roblox? And where is Classic Sonic mouth? Where? Why is his mouth just gone? I literally had his mouth. Ah. God, Roblox needs to fix their freaking connection. And dude, look at this. Freaking everything is gone. Roblox is really doing this to us. Look at it. Look what Roblox doing. I hope Roblox is not down again, because if it is, I swear I'm going to rage. Because I need to make this tutorial or I can't. Oh my goodness, gotta sit here and wait for it? God, why does Roblox really hate Man, why does Roblox really hate users? I don't even know if I can do the tutorial. Just the fact that, look at it. It's not even spawning. Look. It's not even doing anything. Look at it. I don't even know what's wrong with this. This is gonna take a long time to do this. It is definitely gonna take a long time. No, you know what? I swear to God. Oh yes, finally. Okay. 96 for mouth. 100 for the things. I don't even know what it is. Swear to God. Dude, can you give me a break? Come on. Okay, sleeves 90. And you already know what gloves is. Just choose anyone. Any one of them. And also for the color, his skin color is this. And his clothes is red. Pants is black. Beard is this. I meant glasses. Glasses is this, and his beard is this. Sorry if I misspelling. I'm not really good at saying things. Anyway, here you go.